So this is the one. You can do the same step because I'm already doing. Yeah, this we call it as a community. In here only we have to create our Boomi account and everything. But without corporate mail ID, you can't give access. You can't get any access. I already created this one for you.
Yes.
Because we are having the associate MBR training, so I have associated with that. I have created on behalf of MBR. This is your login credentials. It's already there. See, okay, let's look at the trainings overview. Okay, so here only you'll get the everything. Yeah.
Okay.
See, this is the structure. So there are, I told you, right, when it comes to Boomi, it not only deals with EDI, not only deals with integration, but there are many other things also to deal with EDI. Not only that, if you know only EDI, you can do only this integration part and B2B management. You can touch other things also. Like something like now I'm explaining you what I know from my end, but as of now, I have to teach you two things from here: the integration developer path and the B2B EDI management. These two things I have to do it, and you have to, and I'll make you do the certifications as well. I'll explain you all the course. So whatever doubts you're having, you can ask me. And one more thing I'm saying it before only, doing the certification, you need not need my help initially, because certification is an easy thing. Getting the certification is not important, but I'll assign you those tasks. After completing the certification, I'll give you some tasks. In the task it will be critical for you. Daily you can do maximum of, I think, one task. If you do it every day, that is good. Okay, when that time comes, we'll see. Okay, as of now, just I will explain you. And when it comes to EDI, I am working on this one, this integration developer and B2B management.
Okay.
So all the admin related things, everything will be handled here. So I literally don't know about this. I didn't get a chance to work on this. If I complete the certification, but in the future I am willing to complete the certificate. Okay. Then this is platform architecture. This is also didn't get chance. This is called integration developer. In integration developer, for everything, whether it's integration, everything, we have to first do the getting started with Atom Sphere course. It will hardly be 30 minutes. Then later that integration essential. This one you can complete in maximum of 2 days. Maximum of 2 to 3 days. If you do it slowly also no problem. You can do a maximum of 2 to 3 days. After doing this integration, you have to do the associate integration developer course. Okay. Then after that you have to give an attempt to certificate. That is associate developer certification.
Okay.
After completing the associate developer certification, because we have to complete this EDA also, then we will stop here. Actually, my plan is we will stop here. Just will give you a break. Then we will do the EDA essentials, then integration essentials, then associate EDA expert, and the EDA expert certification. After completing these things, again we will get back to the professional integration developer course, and this one will be a literally very tough one. So this one only will take a lot of time. Like it will take, if you concentrate every day, it will take hardly 10 days, 9 to 10 days. You can complete it. Okay, then the certification exam. You will be having 3 attempts for each certification. So first attempt, I will be leaving it to you. In the first attempt, you can clear this certificate by referring and everything.
Okay,
do the certificate. If you fail, but while doing the certification, just take the screenshot of everything, what answers you are keeping. If you fail in the examination, just send me on the screenshots, and I'll cross verify whether those all answers are correct or wrong. And I will say you, so I will get to know in which topics you are weak. So that again I'll explain you all those topics. So second time I'll give you the second attempt. In front of me, I will monitor you. Just do in front of me. Maximum it will be cleared in the second attempt. Still it is not cleared in the second attempt. Then I will only write your examination in the third attempt.
Okay.
The same scenario for everything. Only I think as of now I don't know about Ketna, but for you, I think you need help in only this professional developer side. Do certification, you can clear it out by yourself.
Okay.
Because you are aware of EDA, you can clear it out by yourself. Okay. Then here flow management means it is the front end part. So whatever some front end senior, you did the user interface. Here master hub means database. Here event streaming, just will be creating the events here. Okay, we'll be having called API management also will be there. Somewhere. Yeah, API management. API management also is very important, but still I didn't do this. But coming to after some 2 months, I will complete this one also. So if I complete this, I will also help you in doing the certification in the future days. Okay. Now, did you get the course in it? Now you have to complete the integration developer and the B2B this one. But mostly we'll be having more openings. There are many openings in Boomi on this integration developer part. This integration developer only everyone will be doing mostly. And this EDI and EDI is the advantage. Since you are aware of EDI, you can do this one also. Integration is different. EDI integration is different. Okay, the difference between EDI integration is in normal integration we don't deal with the EDI files. In EDI integration, the EDI file will be involved. That is only the difference between this one. In here, the partner setups and everything will be there for the EDI side. That's it. So this is the entire structure, everything. Okay, as of now, I will teach you integration developer, B2B EDI, and after completing, I think certificate can be done easily. But if you because if you complete certificate, I'll give you the daily task basis. Some tasks I will give you. Some POCs we call it as in POCs. Those POCs I'll give you the situation, everything, the time zones, some scenarios will be there. Once you do the certificate, you will get to know what is your process, what is shapes, what is map shape, how we develop your map, how we develop your process, how we call the sub process. These all scenarios, sub shapes will be there. So everything you will get to know. So in that you will get to know. Okay. So this is the training part. So this is your account. This is whose account? Yeah, Ravinder Kumar Gala account. So okay. So here we have to register. In the learning library, we have to register for the courses. What are the courses you have to register? Integration part. Yeah, this is the first thing. Getting started with Atomsphere. Just register. Okay. This is the second thing. Integration essentials. Just register. Okay. Then associate integration developer certification. Professional integration operation certification. Yeah, so associate integration developer. I just know I have added 3 things. After completing the 3 things, then we'll see. Here will be getting. Here we'll see what are the courses we have registered. First, we have to start it with getting started with Atomsphere. So here, this one explain you what is Master Hub, what is API. Everything will be explained in this. So after completing, then we have to move to ideation. We have to know according to this plan which I have showed you before. See, just follow this plan. Getting started with Atomsphere, then integration essential, then associate integration developer. Just complete up to this. After completing this, you will be giving an attempt called associate developer certification. Okay.
Okay.
Then okay, there will be a lab section. For lab, you need some hands-on experience, right? So we'll call this as a platform login. I already created an account for you in the platform login also. This is your user ID, but actually you can't access this. So what is the part you are dealing with here?
Integration and
Integration, right? So here we have to select this one, integration. See, view mode, we having all. The B2B won't be there. B2B will be included in everywhere, whether it's an integration in the API management also. I don't know about this flow, master hub, and these all things. I don't know whether EDI is used here or not. When it comes to EDI, we'll be using it in the integration and API also. And for any automation and everything also, we'll be using this EDI. Okay. So we have to select the integration. The integration part is selected. A new will be displayed here. Suppose we can access everything here, like create new. So tomorrow I will explain you what is process, what is connection, what is your trading part, what are the shapes, different types of shapes, and everything I'll explain you tomorrow.
Okay.
What are the different types of shapes and everything. But I'll share you one document, the class which I'm saying tomorrow, I'll share you the documentation today itself, so that you people can have a close look over there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So coming to this, for you, I have given one access to this account. In this account only you can complete the courses and everything. In rest all account you can't do. The difference is that. So whatever the tasks I give, you just use this account, this MBR training account, this MBR software institute account. But when it comes to the whatever certifications you do and everything, you do in this account.
Oh, my own account. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Why I'm preferring it? Because this is other account. Just I have given you access to this account. This is my account. I had given you my account access to your account. So you can use my account and you can do it from here. Just I have deleted all my findings and everything over here so that you can start it from fresh.
Okay.
So the difference between these two, why I had given you this here, when you train your account, the Boomi education systems won't be available. Say there will be some inbuilt processes for training, for certification training, there will be some inbuilt process. If you see here, these are all the inbuilt process. You can install and you can verify and you can run test and everything you can do. But but see here only Boomi is there. But you need here on education tab services there. That services you won't get access. But that is the reason why I have given access to my account. With your account only, you can switch to my account. And because the difference between the process library, if you see here, you'll be having this tab called educational services. For educational services, you need some patent. Means you have to buy it there. For sharing and everything, you need some patent. So that's the reason I have given you this account. Only for this account you need it only for doing the certification purpose. Once the certification is done, you do not need this account. After doing the certification only, the real testing time will start for you. How nicely you will learn the certification, how nicely you will learn you will ask me the doubts and everything. So that much will be easier when I assign you the task. The task will be somewhat tough only. That will be called 3 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. I think after doing the certification, maximum you can do the stage 1, but stage 2 and stage 3 will be a bit difficult. But you need, what I'm expecting from you is, since you're 6 years experience, we'll be having a sector called Boomi Help. If I am also not there, just refer to this one. Boomi Help support. So whatever doubts you can have, you can all post it here.
No.
You can search here and you can post it here. Yeah, this one. help.boomi.com. Just helping me with this.
Okay.
So in this one, suppose you want to know about Salesforce. So you will get a lot of information over here. So here you can refer. What is a Salesforce connector? Why we use the Salesforce connector? What are the percent we use here? So what are the difficulty you have faced here? Everything will be available here. So in the future also, if I am not available also, you can refer this. But it will take some time also. But referring this and understanding and doing it on your own is the real developer skills. You should not depend on anyone.
Yeah.
But what I will do for Kirtan, it's a different track, or you it's a different track. What I will do for you is, I will just guide you. I will just say, just refer this link, just refer the link. Try your best. If you don't get it, then I will explain you everything. Okay?
Okay.
Just accept these challenges. That will be good for your growth.
Yes.
And okay. Just I will run one process tomorrow. What I will explain and everything I will share you. Kirtana, I have shared you one Boomi documentation right before.
Like a theoretical part.
Yeah, the theoretical part. What is a process? What is a shape and everything.
Yes.
Okay. Tomorrow I will be saying you on day 1. Tomorrow I will be saying you about that documentation only.
Okay. Like, do I need to put it in group, the documentation?
No, I will keep it. No problem.
Okay.
Just I want to know whether I have shared you that documentation or not.
Yes, you shared.
See, the entire thing we call it as a process. This one. The entire thing, what we do, develop, everything will be whatever we do, we call it as a process.
Okay.
Here we call it as a process. Suppose for here in this process, I think already people have said you this example. See, here we call it as a, here we have 3 types. One is connector, one is execute shape, and one is logical shape. The shapes will be of 3 types: connector shapes, execution shape, logical shapes. So here first we use a database connector, that is the star shape. Okay, for the database, this database shape comes under the connector. Okay, so this is the one end system, and this is Salesforce is the other end system. So what we do in the middle is this one, is we are transforming data from this format to this format. This is the thing that happened here, and there will be some other scenarios like we can send it to our mail. Suppose if I run this process, we can send it to our mail. See, just you do not need to know everything now. Just give me your mail address. Ranjit,
I'm pinging you.
your mail address, just ping me inside. So here I will just save and close. This is really right, yeah. So this is the thing I have done. So I will do run test here. Now we'll see what happens. Just check your mail after what happens after this process.
Okay. Yes, new customer added.
Did you get any mail?
Yes.
Hold on. Just I have sent you the PPT. Did you get any mail? Your mail address?
Yes.
Okay. What is the mail you got?
Subject is new customer, and in the body prospect is communication closed on 2 days data.
Actually, the scenario here, just a scenario. Just don't remember everything. Just I'm saying you just normally. From tomorrow I will start. Actually, in database we are fetching the data. First we are pulling the data out of the database. Then the same data using the branches. The branch statement it creates duplicates. It won't manipulate the other, but it creates duplicates. The same output. Suppose we are getting the source data is this one. See, in the DB format we are getting. See, so this is one file. This is one file. We are getting two types of files. Okay, when we are getting two types of files, this branch what it does is it duplicates the files. The same two files will be transferred into three branches. See, we see here input, the input will be the same DB format. The same DB with the same two only. You have to do three things. The first thing is you have to send the incoming data into the Salesforce. This is the first condition. The second condition, what are the new customers, you have to get it to your mail. This is the second condition. A third condition is whatever you are getting, you have to update your local SQL system. This is the third condition. Okay, because what is the scenario you will do? You can't do like again you will be getting the database data and you will be doing the first scenario. Again you will call this database shape. Again you will be inserting this. Again you will be doing the second scenario. Again you will be calling the database shape. Again you will be running the third scenario. This is not the correct method, right? So by using to avoid this time lapse, we will be using the branch. What branch is the same water incoming data will be split into three types. In the first condition, you have to send it to Salesforce. What Salesforce accepts in XML format. The response will be in the XML, but we are getting it input as a DB format. So what it does is we will be using the map shape. We can convert from DB to XML. So for DB, the input is database. Let's see what will get the output. The output what we are getting is an XML format, right? In this way, this is converted from. So first condition satisfied. Second condition, whatever the new customers will be there, you have to get it to your mail. Okay. So this is the second scenario. What you got? Did you get your mail? What are the new customers? Indeed, this is the third scenario. You will be updated in your system. So if we look into this, you see this is the message. These are all the conditions. Once you do only, see this is the message you got. Prospect of one. In one value, you will get the name. You will get the name, prospect name, and closed on, and you will get the date and time on which date it got closed. If you check your mail, you will find this.
Yes.
Or can you just share your screen once? It will be good. So Kirtan will be seeing this.
Able to see my screen?
No, yeah. No. I am not able to view screen. See, the first condition, prospect one. In prospect one, here we call it as a parameter. In the parameter one, we have given it as a edge communication. So when it's a edge communication customer, it will come as a prospect edge communication. It is closed on date 2023 9/17. So in 9/17, the data got updated. Again in the 9/17, this gen point, the new customer got updated. Okay, now you can turn off your screen. See, when you actually, this is a rare scenario. This one SQL statement, whatever queries you want to run, you can run it here. Any updating data and everything, you can run it here. All the SQL comments, you can do it here. But in my lifetime, this is only the first and last time I have used this shape. This shape you won't be using in the real time, mostly. It depends on the project, but I have not used this shape. That's it. By the end of this course and certificate, you will be able to know what is clean C shape, what is exception shape, what are the execute shape, what are the connection shape. Just refer to this documentation. It will be very helpful. Before starting only, I want you to, if you do this documentation, it will be good. Just refer this documentation. Just you will get an overview. If you don't understand also, no problem. What is Boomi, whether it's we'll be having like software as a service, integration as a service, like everything, right? So what does Boomi do? what is an atoms, what is the environments, what is a process, what are shapes, what is star shape, what are different types of shapes, connectors, what is the application connector, what are different types of connectors, what is DC shape, what is decision shape, what is business root shape. Just go through this. You need not remember, I know, but for one guy who is coming and reading daily, they can't just go through this, because you won't get it now. While seeing only on the live and you do only, then only you'll get it. These all. What is just go through this. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, is it fine?
Okay.
So actually, this recording will be no use for you, but just I have recorded for your reference only. This recording
Yeah.
is no use. I just gave an overview. That's it. How you can log into Atomsphere. So I think Ketan already know how to log into Atomsphere. So just you can log into your Atomsphere. So I can guide you. I think Ketan, you can leave the call.
Okay, okay.
You can leave the call. We'll continue tomorrow at 3 a.m. is fine. 3 a.m. I don't know.
Okay,
Sorry, 3
okay.
p.m. 3 p.m.
Okay, evening 3 p.m.
Is it fine for you?
Yeah.
Fine, fine.
Okay. Then.
Yeah.
Ketan,
Like
you
it's
can
a
leave.
regular class or only weekend?
Actually, weekend it will be a compulsory. There will be a class, but I will be try to do it regularly.
Okay, okay.
Because
It will be better.
you will also will be free. Actually, I will spend my time to give you on regular basis only, because it depends on the project condition. Actually, I accept on weekends only, but depending on your both situation only, I am planning to do in your daily basis. At least 1 hour I will try to spend with you. If I won't spend also, just if I take 1 day gap also, at least 2 days, or at least for if Monday I took up the class. Like again, if Tuesday won't take, but Wednesday definitely I will take the class. I will explain you everything in the group itself. I will say you, I will intimate you in the group itself before.
Okay, okay.
Okay, then just I'm stopping the recording.